Over 80 of the island's best junior tennis players will be competing in the inaugural King Alarm Classic tournament. The first of the three-event series will serve off on Saturday at the Eric Bell Center in Kingston. The two-day tournament will see players competing in age groups 8 to 18 with mixed and doubles for 12 to 18. David Sanguinetti, tournament director, says some first-round losers will be given a second chance to compete.
In the boys 14, for argument's sake, we have about 30 players, which is, I haven't seen those kind of number in years. So all in all, everything is shaping up to be a wonderful event. In that if you lose in the first round, instead of you pack your bags and go home, you get to play in the consolation, giving you an extra chance to develop your skills. So we love it, and I think that's here to stay.
Tennis Jamaica President John Azar says this tournament begins the first of several development for the juniors.
Well, definitely we're trying to gain invaluable match experience for the juniors and obviously to reignite interest in the sport among the juniors. So we want to create an atmosphere down here on the weekend with a lot of kids here having fun, competing, but clearly enjoying the sport, and we're certain that the event is going to grow from strength to strength.
Azar further stated that with no Jamaican reaching the main draw of the recent ITF tournament in July, this is the platform for local junior players to compete at that level.
Juniors, training, you get certain value from it, but match play is invaluable. And we always find that when our juniors are competing on the international stage, there's where we end up being lacking. So we're going to increase the number of tournaments we have locally, increase the quality of the tournaments, and we're certain that the end result will be a heightened standard of play from the junior players.